What's up guys? So today I want to show you my 12-hour singing bird clock. I want to say this clock, I got this about like nearly 2 years ago. I got this in 2012 and this clock chimes once an hour. We just wait until it chimes. It's gonna chime on the blue tips for 9 o'clock. But my favourite sound on the birds on this clock, I like the cuckoo, and I like the blackbird and the wren, and I like the tone owl and the robin. Yeah, they really awesome. They make a really good sound. Yeah, so I'm just waiting. It's gonna chime any second now. Get you closer look. Quickly get closer look at it. Okay, so you can hear it. That's on the blue tip bird. Then you're gonna try on the different bird on the next hour. So yeah, they're gonna try on the next hour. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe if you do, and give us a comment. So yeah, and please do so. See you on video if you have one. If you have one, see you on next video.